Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the HelloFresh mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a useful tool for managing meal kits and planning meals. The HelloFresh app is available on iOS and Android and lets users browse weekly meal menus, choose recipes, and customize their meal plans. It offers step-by-step recipe instructions, making cooking easier. You can also save favorite meals to a digital cookbook and manage your subscription, including delivery schedules and address changes. The app features a simple interface that helps with meal selection and planning, allowing users to skip weeks or adjust servings. However, several users have reported notable issues. Navigation can be confusing at times, making it difficult to find certain features quickly. Syncing problems occur between devices, causing plans or preferences not to update properly. The app also experiences occasional glitches such as freezing, crashes, or slow loading, which disrupt the user experience. Some users feel the app lacks customization options beyond basic meal adjustments. Additionally, customer support through the app can be slow or unresponsive, making it frustrating to resolve problems. Overall, while the HelloFresh app offers helpful tools for meal kit users, these drawbacks may impact how smoothly you can manage your meal planning and subscription. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.